In a world where smartphones crack before you even drop them, one device dares to be different. A cyberpunk beast born for the extremes. Meet the Oukitel WP60, where raw power meets rugged design. At first glance, the WP60 looks like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. Its bold, cyberpunk-inspired design screams durability and style. Built like a tank, this 147 by 87 by 14.9 millimeter powerhouse carries IP68, IP69K, and MIL STD 810H certifications, ready to survive dust, water, and the occasional oops moment. Front and center, a massive 7.2-inch display protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Sure, it's only 1560 by 720 pixels, but that's more than enough when your screen is this tough. And with a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, every swipe feels fluid, whether you're checking maps in the wild or gaming on the go. Underneath that armored shell, the WP60 is fueled by the MediaTek Dimensity 7025, bringing lightning-fast 5G to the rugged phone game. Choose from 8, 12, or even 16 gigabytes of RAM and up to 512 gigabytes of UFS 2.2 storage. That's laptop-level capacity in a phone built to survive a fall from one. And then there's the battery. 10,000 milliamp hours of pure endurance. You could cross continents before needing a charger. With 33-watt fast charging and reverse power sharing, the WP60 isn't just your phone, it's your power bank. On the back, a triple camera setup, a 108-megapixel main shooter, an 8-megapixel night vision lens, and a 2-megapixel macro for those close-up moments. Up front, a 32-megapixel Sony IMX616 sensor captures every detail of your adventures. While there's no thermal camera or flashlight this time, you still get essentials like a side-mounted fingerprint sensor and an electronic compass, perfect for explorers and professionals alike. The WP60 isn't just another rugged phone, it's a statement. A fusion of endurance, design, and futuristic flair. Sold out at launch for $330, it's clear this cyberpunk warrior has struck a chord. So if you're tired of fragile phones and ready for something built to last, keep your eyes on Oukitel's product page. The future of rugged tech just got a serious upgrade. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because the era of fragile phones is officially over.